SATO Presents. SATO provides innovative auto ID solutions, taking objects with identifiers to leverage the power of data and fill in the last inch, connecting the virtual and the physical. Based on its years of experience serving customers on site, SATO is now offering a new service for the era of Internet of Things. SATO Online Services, SOS. SOS monitors label printers around the world 24/7 over a cloud network to offer remote maintenance. It's like having a virtual customer engineer right on site. Obtaining precise real-time data, SOS monitors printers to provide remote maintenance, prevent issues, and ensure stable operation. We carefully analyze data on operational status to reduce downtime and maintain an efficient and optimal printing environment. Even if a printer does stop, our operators are available to offer remote support, solving your troubles immediately on site. There is no need to worry about a printer breaking down in the middle of a mission-critical task or while printing large volumes. To provide peace of mind to our customers, we monitor and support each and every printer worldwide. SATO evolves alongside its customers, delivering innovations they can count on. SOS. SATO Online Services. Virtual customer engineer right on site.